Hello, I welcome you once again to this edition of our e-learning program. Our subject for today is mathematics. Now let's look at our topic. Our topic is conventional and personal strategies for computing in addition and subtraction. Let's look at what we have to learn at the end of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, you can use or apply 4 basic strategies in computing for addition and subtraction of numbers. Here are the strategies. 1. Decomposing numbers into easier facts to add. 2. Using the friendly jumps strategy. 3. Moving parts of a number to another number to create numbers that are easier to add. 4. Compensation. Repeat that after me. Compensation. In compensation strategy, we add more to a number to make it friendlier or easier. Then we subtract the added number from the answer. You also have to learn using these strategies to solve word problems. Now prepare for your lesson. Now let's look at the 4 strategies into details. Strategy number 1. Decompose a number into easier numbers to add and do partial sums. Example: when adding 28 and 47, that is 28 plus 47, we add the tens first. That is 20 plus 40, which is equal to 60. Repeat that after me. 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. Good. And then the ones are also added, which are 8 plus 7, which is equal to 15. Let's do that again. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Now we are going to add the sums of the tens and ones all together, which is equal to 60 plus 15, and all is equal to 75. Now this strategy makes addition friendlier and easier. Now let's look at the next strategy. Strategy 2. Using friendly jumps. In applying this strategy, one of the numbers is decomposed or reduced into a friendlier or easier number and added in chunks or by friendly jumps. Let's look at this example. Let's read this together. 26 plus 32. In doing these sums, start with the 26 and add 10 3 times to get 56. And that is, let's do this together. 26 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That gives us 56. Then add 2 to get 58. That is 56 plus 2, making 58. Now take note that this strategy is similar to the first method of decomposing numbers. I want us to look at the example again. Example is 26 plus 32. And in doing the sum, we take the first number, which is 26, and we add on 10 3 times because of the 30, giving us 3 tens. We add on those 3 tens to 26, which is 26 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, making 56. Then we add the 2, which is the ones, that is in the 32, to get 58. And that is 56 plus 2, which is equal to 58. Good. You did well. Now let's look at the note below. As we have a flashback of the first strategy, it is similar to that of this. Let's look at our next strategy. Strategy 3. Moving parts of a number to another number to create numbers that are easier to add. Let's look at our example. When adding 29 and 56, that is 29 plus 56. Repeat that again. 29 plus 56. Okay. You move 1 from 56 to 29. And when that is done, you create the expression 30 plus 55. 56 is now 55 because you moved 1 from 56 and added it to 29. And that made the 29 30. That is why we have the expression 30 plus 55. And that is equal to 85. That makes addition easy or easier. Now let's look at our fourth strategy. Strategy 4. Strategy 4 is called compensation. Now repeat that after me. Compensation. Good. In compensation strategy, we add more to a number to make it more friendlier or easier. Then we subtract the number added from the answer. Example, when adding 26 and 39, that is 26 plus 39. We add 1 to the 39. Don't forget we said that we add more to a number to make it more easier or friendlier. Then we subtract that same number we added from the answer. And so let's get back to our example. Our example, 26 plus 39. Now we add 1 to the 39 to create the expression 26 plus 40. The 39 is now 40 because we added 1 to the 39. And the answer is 66. After getting 66, we subtract 1 from the 66 to make it 65. Isn't that awesome? This makes addition more friendlier and easier. So, as we can see, our answer is 65. Let's go over this example again. Our example is 26 plus 39. What did we do? Yes, we added 1 to the 39 to make it 40. You are right. Now the 39 is 40 because of the one we added. We quickly bring the 26 down, add it to the 40, and that gives us 2 tens, 4 tens, making 6 tens. And then we have the 6 ones, making an answer or the sum of 66. Good. Then don't forget that the compensation strategy says that after adding that 1 to the number, you deduct or subtract the 1 from the answer. And so that is what is done, which makes it 66 minus 1. And that is equal to 65. So our answer is 65. Here are some other examples on applying or using strategies to solve word problems. Now, in our objectives, we stated lastly that we are going to use all these strategies to solve problems. That is why we learned these strategies. Friend, let's all solve this problem. Look at the example in the word problem. Amma bought 32 apples for a fruit juice. She also bought 12 pineapples. Let's read that again. Read with me. Amma bought 32 apples for a fruit juice. She also bought 12 pineapples. How many fruits does she have altogether for the juice? We are going to read once again to instill the understanding of the story problem or the word problem. Let's read. Amma bought 32 apples for a fruit juice. She also bought 12 pineapples. Yeah, you had it right, I know. It is not apples, yeah. Let's read again. Amma bought 32 apples for a fruit juice. She also bought 12 pineapples. Good. How many fruits does she have altogether for the juice? How do we solve this? Let's look at the solution to this problem carefully. We have 32 plus 12. And that's equal to 30 plus 10 plus 2 and plus another 2, which means we first added the tens and then added on the ones. That gives us 40 plus 4, and our answer is 44. Okay, 44 fruits. Therefore, she had 44 fruits altogether for her juice. Wow, you've been able to apply the strategy to solve Amma's problem. She wanted to know how many fruits she was supposed to use for the fruit juice altogether. You did well. You have solved the problem. Now let's see how you also use these strategies to solve other problems. These problems are problems of people, which means you are learning in order to solve problems. Let's look at our conclusion and assignment. In your lesson, you learned 4 main strategies, and this is to help you or assist you solve these problems. Let's read the questions for our assignment. Number 1. Mr. Haruna gave 45 books to Ya. She gave 11 of the books to her sister. How many books are left? Let's read it again. Mr. Haruna gave 45 books to Ya. She gave 11 of the books to her sister. How many books are left? You've got to do some good work here using your strategies. Question number 2. Let's read. Araba needs 8 Ghana cedis to buy exercise books. She has 5 Ghana cedis. How much money does she need to buy the books? Yes, this requires a great strategy indeed. Let's read again. Araba needs 8 Ghana cedis to buy exercise books. She has 5 Ghana cedis. How much money does she need to buy the books? The last question. John was given 2 apples for a snack. He later on found 2 combs of bananas in his bag. How many fruits does he have altogether? I think this is a bonus question. It doesn't require much thinking for you to solve it. Thank you for your attention. See you same time next week. Bye. And stay safe.